Hello everybody, this is our video number 3 on the same topic of some natural phenomena, and in this video we will start a new and another natural phenomena, that is the earthquake. The definition of the earthquake is the sudden shaking of the earth crust is called the earthquake. So this earth crust is nothing but the first or the topmost layer of the earth. And if you consider the layer of the earth, this layer of the earth is classified into the three types. The first one is the crust, second one is the mantle, and the third one is the core. And this core is also subdivided into the two parts, that is the inner core and the outer core. Okay? So crust, it is the outermost layer of the earth, and that is about the 5 to 7 kilometer thick under the land and 6 to 11 kilometer thick at the ocean floor. Next one is the mantle. It lies under the crust and extends up to the depth of 2,900 kilometers. And it consists of the semi-solid rocks and the elements like iron, magnesium and the calcium. Core, it lies between the mantle and its innermost layer of the earth that extends to about 6,300 kilometers in depth, and the outer core consists of the iron and the nickel in molten state, and while the inner core is a solid ball built to the composed mainly of the iron. The inner core is about 1,200 kilometers in diameter, and the temperatures at the center of the earth is around 4,000 centigrade, and the pressure here is about 37 lakh. And the inner core is solid because of the extremely high pressure and the prevailing at that depth. After that, we will discuss about the causes of the earthquake. The first one is the movement of the tectonic plates. The earth crust made up to the tectonic plates, and when the tectonic plates move, and sometimes the edges of these plates is collide with each other with force, they may get the deformed, displaced, crushed or the fracture, and they may slide under each other or move apart, and such changes send the tremors or waves through the crust, causing the earthquake. Okay, so this type of wave is called the seismic wave. After that, the place from where an earthquake originates is called the seismic focus. So, what is the definition of the seismic focus? When the place where the earthquake originates is called the seismic focus, and the point vertically above the focus is called the epicenter. So the point which is vertically above the focus is called the epicenter. Over the million years, the movement of the tectonic plates have created big point on the earth crust, and which is called the fault. Okay. Next one, seismograph. The seismograph is instrument which detect and record the intensity of seismic wave generated by the earth. Okay, and the graphical record of this intensity is called the seismogram. So the graphical record of this intensity is called the seismogram. After that, the magnitude of an earthquake is measured on the Richter scale. So the magnitude of an earthquake, which is measured with the help of this scale, the name of this scale is the Richter scale. And the Richter scale has marking from 0 to 9 the intensity of an earthquake, and the Richter scale is called the 0 to 2. 0 to 2 is called the unnoticed. 2 to 4 is the very mild. 4 to 6 moderate. 6 to 8 severe, and 8 to 9 is very severe. The next cause is the volcanic eruption. When the volcanic eruption occurs, the hot molten rocks and the hot gases under the paper come out through a hole in the earth crust. The energy released during the volcanic eruptions causes the vibration in earth crust, and which result in earthquake. And the earthquake caused by the volcanic eruption are shallow. The effects small area around its epicenter. Next one, man-made explosion. The mining, blasting of the rock using the dynamite, nuclear explosion can create powerful vibrations, and which can cause the earthquake in the area around the site of activities. So these three are main cause of the earthquake. After that, we will move on the effect, after the effect of the earthquake. The first one, the earthquake caused the destruction to the man-made structure like road, bridge, dam, building, and the apartment also collapsed. And the ground surface may get the deformed due to the earthquake, and the electric poles, the telephone lines, and the tree may get uprooted, and the spark from the electrical poles can cause the fire. And in mountainous regions, the earthquake can cause the landslide. It causes loss of life, and as people get buried under the debris of the collapsed structure. And the last one is the earthquake that takes place in a sea called the tsunami. And this tsunami is a series of high waves, and that causes the large scale destructions and the damages of lives and the property in the coastal area. After that, we will move the protection against the earthquake. While the constructing the building and the house, the architect and the civil engineer should be kept in mind how to minimize the effect of the earthquakes on the structures. Next one, in place where the earthquakes occur quite often, like materials like the timbers or the moss should be used for the construction. The roof should be as light as possible. The third one, the fire fighting equipment in the buildings should be kept handy and in working conditions. The cracks in the walls and the ceiling should be repaired, and the cover, shelf, cabinets, etc. should be fixed firmly on the walls and so that they do not fall easily. And the last one, the doors installed in the building should open outward to ensure that they open easily. So after that, we will discuss the personal safety. Try to leave the building as soon as possible. Move to an open area, but keep away from the electric poles, tall trees, signboards, etc., as they could fall on you. Third one, always use the stairs to get out of the buildings. Never use the lift. Fourth one, if you cannot move out of the buildings, take shelter under a heavy tables and keep your hand over your head. Next one, in case you are in bed, place a pillow over your head to protect it. After that, turn off the power supply immediately Last one, if you are inside a car or bus, stop the vehicles in an open area away from the electric poles, the tall trees and buildings. These are the way to protect or save yourself from harm. Okay, that's all for the today's lectures. Thank you everybody.